my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah.
Hey, what's up everybody? So behind me I have my 240Z, and on these two tables I have all of my suspension components that I ordered from Apex Engineered. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and inventory everything, make sure everything that I ordered is here, see if there's anything missing, see how everything looks. But yeah, I'm just gonna go through all those components right now and let's take a look. All right, so we have the rear subframe, got all of the hardware for that, rear lower control arm kit. Apparently this one's used for the rear suspension kit and the rear track kit. I got just the normal rear suspension kit. I didn't go with the full track setup. But we have the lower control arms right here. We got some, these are set up for the weld-in coilovers and for the 370Z wheel bearings. So that's what I'll be going with. We have the suspension bushings right here, along with the CV shafts. We have the rear front strut brace. These guys over here making messes. Got the 370Z front spindles, along with the 370Z single caliper mount. The rear strut brace. Dude, we have our motor mounts for an LS. I'm obviously going with the Gen 5 LT1, so I will buy a LS to LT1 adapter plate. Got all our hardware for that right there. Quick steering knuckles. We have the front suspension components. So we have our front lower control arms. Everything looks pretty nice, pretty nice. We got adjustable front tie rods right here. The front subframe. These guys go in like so. We have our transmission mount. This is this. Well, we'll have to see what we need to, what kind of adapter I'll need for this for the TR6060. We have all our hardware for this upper rack clamp. All the hardware for the front cross member, and that's pretty much it. That is what came with my Apex Engineered order. Oh yeah, don't forget, got these nice decals right here. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so I think I got the majority of everything that I ordered. I did select dust boots for the rear suspension kit, so I didn't see those in the package. The other thing that I think I'm missing is the little rubber mount for the transmission. I had selected the T56 transmission mount, so I think that's missing, but besides that I don't really see anything else that's sticking out that's really missing from the kit. I think they got the majority of everything. So I'll probably just have to shoot them an email and let them know what they need to send out. But besides that, everything looks pretty good. I got the hammered black, as you could tell, which in my opinion looks pretty good. I mean, the main reason I went with that as opposed to a custom color was I wasn't sure at that point what color I wanted to paint the car. So I didn't want to get some bright color that wouldn't really match with whatever paint job that I was gonna select. So I ended up just going with a hammered black. Looks pretty good. Can't really go wrong with that. I feel like it'll, you know, be pretty good being under the vehicle. It's got a nice texture to it. So yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with it. Excited to start putting all this together. Excited to start putting it on the Z and start making some more progress. So yeah, I'll keep you updated how this goes. We'll be putting together some videos on assembling all of this stuff and whatnot. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so right now I am trying to get the rest of these floor pans out. doing that with this bit here. Basically goes through in here, and we're drilling out all of the spot welds. So finally got it down pretty simple. But first I'm using this to start locate my spot welds. Hammer this guy down, right? Just get a mallet, smack this down real good to start that. And then essentially, the easiest thing to do, obviously have this on drill, so we get some good torque on that. But get it up to speed first, and then slowly come in and out. That works pretty well. That brings them out nice and good. I'll show you on this side that we already got those all out. You can see that's behind the metal, so already pulled it out there. But this method works pretty well. We'll need to figure out for these three, probably just gonna have to pull this whole pull these guys out. Probably cut those guys out. Well, actually we did drill out those spot welds, but we'll need to do that. We did that along the back side here, and then we'll need to take these out so we could get those three here that are marked right over here. So that's what I'm working on now.
Lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
Hey, what's up guys? We're out here right now doing some more work on the 240Z. Right now we're still continuing work on the floor pans, so we're trying to get those completely cut out so we could put the new ones in. But let me show you what we're working on right now. So basically what we're doing is we're trying to get this whole rail out right here for the factory seats. So we need to get these out. We need to get this rail out, so that way we could get the original floor pan completely out, all the way around from here down across. Now there's a lip that runs right along this seam, and so what we're doing is we're using the grinder to come in and cut it along this seam here, so that way we could take this off, because otherwise we'd have to get all these spot welds on this bracket right here, all along this internal lip right here. So it's a little hard to get to, so we thought it might be easier to to make this cut along this seam, which the new floor pan will sit basically as far back as this lip here. So it'll sit over the metal that's coming out to here. Now we have a little spot marked right here, so we'll also cut out underneath from the bottom across that and along here, so that way we could get this whole thing out. Obviously we'll have to drill out these spot welds on the sides, on both sides here, but besides that, this should be able to come out pretty clean and easy after we do that. So that's what we're working on right now. So we went through above, cut that seam with the grinder, and then we flipped the car on the side using our beautiful rotisserie. And now what we're gonna do is cut out those other sections that I mentioned above, so that way we could try to get this whole piece off in one go. So we did the driver's side right now. We need to go back through and do it on the passenger side, but we wanted to see how this one side went first. So we're gonna go ahead and make those cuts now and see if we could get that out.
Wait, Joe. Nature.
Oh,
Nature.
That is beauty.
This car is green.
What a beauty.
Ow, that's hot.
It's Christmas out here. 4th of July.
So we just have to, like, there's the 2 spot welds that were holding it in the corner right here, and then like the 2 that are holding it in the corner right here, and then it should
Pop right out.
theoretically.
In theory, I think that'll work pretty good. All right, cool.
We're back.
So we'll flip it back over and try.
Yeah.
All right, so we got it flipped back over, and it's pretty much out, with the exception of these spot welds right here.
Thank you.
So we're gonna drill those out. This side's pretty much off.
Yeah, that's
So we're pretty dang close to pulling this piece out.
pretty dang.
Pretty dang.
It's held in by a
That's
tiny
one pretty
little
dang right
sliver
there.
of metal right there.
Pretty dang Dawson. You should name this Pretty Dang Dawson. I'll ride passenger seat every day in it.
All right, so we drilled those out with just our normal bit. Now we're gonna go in with this circular bit. Try to cut those spot welds out a little better.
I know it's these guys.
There's that under lip right there.
Yep, perfect.
All right, so the fun part is
So we're trying to get those from the bottom. Drill those out.
you can just cut that sheet metal off the bottom, and
Yeah.
you got a fresh bracket to bolt in there.
All right, so we
Clean
got
all
this
this
sucker out. Flip it over. Let me see that bad boy.
Your butt's
Dang.
gonna go right here.
Disgusting.
Gonna get tetanus.
Get this. Ooh, that looks good.
See, so then now you could drill these ones out nice and easy, pull that off.
Yeah, and then we'll
You
get
should
this
be able
off
to
from
pull it
here.
off from there. And then you
Pull
just have to
that
cut
out.
it where you want it down here.
Sweet. So let's get this off, get this
All right,
out.
Let's flip it back the other way because it'll be easier to cut it.
Okay, great work. Yes.
Oh, easy, bro.
Easy, bro.
Eager McBeaver over here.
McBeaver.
Except for it's not a very good angle. Alright, we're just gonna here. Work it back and forth. Bust through that weld. Ah! He's so strong. Look at that. No battery.
beauty.
Battery box delete. That's straight though. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. That's not good. That's not good rust.
Let me see this.
I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Thanks for being here, guys. Yeah, that was cool.
Hey, John.
No, no.